So you did an audition and you're so proud of it that you want to post it on social media. Stop everything you are doing and do not post it on your social media accounts. Hey guys, my name is Chad Rook. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, Acting with Chad Rook, where I'm going to take my years and years of experience as a professional actor and teach you all the things I've learned along the way and the mistakes so that you don't make the same ones and you can use all those tips for your career so that you too can become a successful actor. If you're an actor or actress, or you're just simply interested in the acting industry or learning about the profession itself, then this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video, and if there's certain content that you would like to see in the future, please leave a message in the comments and I'll be sure to get those videos out to you guys as soon as possible. So, you did this audition, you absolutely love it to the point where you just can't wait to share it with the world. Do not post your auditions online. There is no reason for you as an actor to post a professional audition that you've done for a casting director or a session, or simply put, you're just practicing at home. There is never going to be an audition that is good enough for you to post online, unless it's an absolutely incredible once-in-a-lifetime audition that landed you a major role in a film or a TV series. Then okay, you might want to share it, and only if you get the approval from the production that you're allowed to release that information. NDAs do exist, okay? Non-disclosure agreements are not something you really want to be messing around with. So if you haven't gotten approval to release the material online, that's a big no-no. So that's one of the main reasons you shouldn't post it online. Also, when you post your auditions online, all you're really telling people is that you didn't book the role. If you book the role, then chances are you're going to post the actual content from the TV show or film itself and not the audition. So if you're posting the audition, that's really not a good telltale that went all that well for you. If the audition went amazing, then chances are you would have booked the role. So now you're posting something online that didn't book you the role. That's not good.
Oh, God. Sorry. I farted.
There are specific sites out there where we upload auditions so that acting agents and casting directors can see. And those are really the only sites that you should be posting these auditions on. Not to mention, some people just don't want to see your audition because you can't do in an audition what you can on set. So really, all you're giving people out there is the diet version of your talent. That's not something a professional actor really wants to post out there. Just take a look online. It's very, very hard to find an incredible audition that has been posted online. Usually the lighting is crap, usually the sound is crap, because a lot of actors just don't have the proper sound and lighting equipment to make even a self-tape look that good. Also, another main reason why you do not want to post your auditions onto social media is because a lot of people are going to be watching your audition that don't understand the audition process. And if they don't understand the audition process, they're going to give you a critique about that audition that really isn't warranted. People aren't going to understand that, oh, okay, well, he messed up here. That's really bad, okay? But whereas a casting director who watches an audition understands that this is not going to be your best performance possible, but they take those things into account when casting and reviewing your audition. Other people out there in the public that don't understand the audition process and that there will be mistakes, that the lighting doesn't have to be perfect, focus on things like your eye contact and all the maneuvers that you're doing in the audition to make it a scene. Well, if they don't really understand all those things and don't take it into account, they're just going to see a performance by you that's just kind of crap to them. And that's not really what you want to put out there to people. There is an audition out there, okay, and I'll put a link in the actual description of this video where the character Elliot from E.T., yes, we're going way back in history, okay, but they do have this kid's audition on tape where he's actually auditioning for Steven Spielberg. This is an absolutely incredible once-in-a-lifetime audition, which I encourage you guys all to watch because it's going to teach you a lot about how an incredible audition is portrayed. And maybe if once in your career you are able to obtain an audition at this stature, okay, then maybe you want to post it. But again, only if you end up booking the role, because otherwise you're just posting an audition that didn't book you the role. So was it good? Was it bad? I don't know, but it didn't book you the role. I've been teaching actors for years now, okay, and I have never received an audition from any actor, whether it's an incredible audition or not, that I would suggest for them to ever post online. Even if the audition is good, looks good, sounds good, the lighting's good, it doesn't make any sense.
Stupid as a stupid does.
Only post your auditions where you should post them so that they can be seen by the people who want to see them and who understand the audition process so that they can review your audition properly. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope this suggestion helps you, and I really hope that you take it to heart, because posting auditions that didn't land you a role is not something that I would recommend you do, because it's not going to show your best talent, and it's going to be seen by a lot of people who are unable to critique it properly. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope that this video helped you out, and please, if you have any suggestions about videos that you would like to see in the future, please leave a message in those comments, as I would love to get those videos out to you guys as soon as possible. Thanks again. Please take care of yourself out there. Now let's go kick some ass.